Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil on a Honda Insight. First, gather your tools: a 17mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, a new oil filter, and about 5 quarts of 0W20 synthetic oil. Make sure your car is on a level surface and securely supported with jack stands. Position your drain pan directly under the oil drain plug. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe oil change process. Now, let's drain the old oil. Using your 17mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the oil drain plug, allowing the old oil to flow into your drain pan. Be cautious, as the oil may be warm. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, clean the drain plug and replace its washer to prevent leaks before reinstalling it securely. Next, we'll replace the oil filter. Locate the old oil filter, typically on the front of the engine. Use your oil filter wrench to loosen and remove it, being ready for any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional quarter turn with the wrench. Finally, it's time to add the new oil. Locate your engine's oil fill cap and carefully pour in about 5 quarts of fresh 0W20 synthetic oil. After filling, replace the cap and wait a few minutes for the oil to settle. Then, check the oil level using the dipstick, ensuring it's between the minimum and maximum marks. Start the engine briefly, then turn it off and recheck for any leaks around the drain plug and filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.